La 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 আমি কোথায় দেখেছি এত সুন্দর মেয়ে আমার একদম মনে নেই কোথায় দেখেছি এত সুন্দর মেয়ে আমার মনে নেই ভগবান আমার প্রাণ বুকের থেকে নিয়ে নাও
ओ प्यारी 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 लगे तू ही सबसे प्यारी
प्यारी ओ प्यारी प्यारी प्यारी
लगे तू ही सबसे प्यारी
Volume up.
Clothes change.
Nice car.
You got me doing crazy things. Everybody's talking about how you got me hanging on a string.
Doors unlock.
Happy legs in the stylish New Zealand.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the last category of the awards, which is photo series on a single wedding. We ask the participants to submit a series of anything between 6 to 12 photographs to capture the essence of a wedding and also to narrate the bride and groom's journey towards holy matrimony.
And with that, let's take a look at the Kodak Better Photography Wedding Photographer of the Year nominees in the photo series in a single wedding category.
May I request renowned architectural and food photographer Mr. Swapan Mukherjee, documentary photographer and judge of this category Mr. Fawzan Hussain, and Masaki Kashiwagi, Asia Oceania Sales Headquarters, Pentax, to please come up on stage and announce the photo series on a single wedding theme winner.
Winner for the category photo series on a single wedding is Sanika Jahagir.
Sanika may look tiny, but she's won fierce competition. She's also known as Pintu amongst her co-contestants.
But Sanika, before you go, you have to tell us what your thoughts are at this moment and also what's the story behind being called Pintu?
Okay, first of all, thanks to God who gave this my opportunity and my family who support me always. And big thanks to Kodak and Better Photography, Wedding Photographer of the Year who give me this great opportunity. And it is about the Pintu story. I'm the small, all of the group, in the group.
So that's why.
So she's called Pintu. All right, congratulations, Sanika.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, here you are. These are the 6 category winners of the Kodak Better Photography Wedding Photographer of the Year 2011 awards. These are the best wedding photography talent in the country, but you know, we had to decide who was the best of the best.
To do this, we decided to place a very interesting challenge in front of our category winners. As you know, our final contestants were flown down to Malaysia.
Indeed, the gorgeous backdrops of the island country played host to 9 different challenging themes, where they were asked to shoot a wedding couple in different moods and situations, indoors and outdoors, within a stipulated period of time. After spending 5 days on the lush island of Langkawi and 2 days in Kuala Lumpur photographing the couple, these images were judged by renowned wedding and documentary photographer Mr. Seffi Bergeson. We're very grateful and highly indebted to him for taking time out from his busy schedule to be a part of this celebration tonight.
So let me now request Mr. Bergeson to please come up on stage and share his insights on this exciting competition.
it's amazing that that something like this is actually happening in India. I remember that I just started with wedding photography about not more than 4 years ago, and there was hardly anyone doing documentary-style wedding photography. And 4 years later, we have 21,000 submissions from 240-something cities, and it's simply amazing. So I'm proud to be in India at a time like this. That was it. Very exciting. I think we had a very good discussion around the selection, and I think a lot of good ideas came up, and I really have to give it to you that I appreciate how open you are for incorporating new ideas and realizing that the competition like this takes time to mature, and I'm sure it will become only better and better in the years to come. So, yeah, applause to all of you.
And now may I please invite Mr. K. Madhavan Pillai, the editor of Better Photography, Mr. Srinivasu Saraswatullah, Country Business Manager, Consumer Digital Group, India Cluster Kodak, and Mr. Sandeep Khosla, CEO, Network 18 Publishing, on stage to join Mr. Bergeson. And we're all waiting to hear the final winner.
It says Pintu. Sanika Jahan.
Thank you, God, again, and my family and friends who always supported me. And big thanks to Kodak and Better Photography magazine who gave this such a wonderful platform. Thank you so much.
All right, and with this brings us to the end of this felicitation ceremony, but it would be incomplete if we did not thank all of you for being here with us tonight. We would like to thank our category judges, Bipin Mistry for bridal portraiture, Aziz Era for couple portraiture, Girish Mistry for family and friends, Seshu for behind the scenes, Uzair Kharawala for emotions, Fafzan Hussain for photo series in a single wedding, and of course our final judge, Mr. Seppi Bergeson.
We'd also like to thank our title partner Kodak, associate partners PhotoQuip and Canberra.com, wedding destination partner Tourism Malaysia, airline partner Malaysia Airlines, face-off venue partners Westin Langkawi Resort and Spa and Sheraton Imperial Kuala Lumpur, and our yacht partner NAM.
Additionally, we would like to thank our face-off decor partner Darling Florist, styling partners Shaman and Bhumika, Christine Valmy, Aramis and Tip Top Point, online partner WeddingSutra.com, event venue partner the Westin Mumbai Garden City, television partner CNBC TV 18, and blogging partner MissMalini.com.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We do hope you had a wonderful evening.
Title partner Kodak. Associate partner PhotoQuip and Canberra.
इंटरनेट डोंगल का बिल देख 1000 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा, सिर्फ 300 MB एक्स्ट्रा यूसेज।
मेरे नेटवर्क पे होते तो एडजस्ट करके लोएस्ट पॉसिबल बिल आता। कम यूज करो या ज्यादा, सामन कैंसिल।
अरे बट
तुम पहले अपना बिल छोटा करो, बिल बाद में बड़ा कर लेना।
रिलायंस नेट कनेक्ट का माई बेस्ट प्लान, इट्स सिंपली बेटर।
रिलायंस।
ससुराल जा रही हो, जीते रहो बेटा। तुम्हारे बच्चे का मुंह देख लूं तो कलेजे में ठंडक मिल जाए।
बच्चा हो सकता है ना 10 साल 6 महीने और 29 दिन के बाद।
आपकी इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी आपकी खुशियों की तारीख क्यों तय करे? भारतीय एक्सा लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ने बदला है जीवन सुरक्षा का नजरिया अपने नए यंग इंडिया प्लान से। ये प्लान पैसे दे जब पैसों की सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत हो। भारतीय एक्सा लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, जीवन सुरक्षा का नया नजरिया।
What you read is what you read. Get your megabyte into the business of food in this issue of Entrepreneur on Stands Now.